Take a look at the highly anticipated iQOO Pad 6 Pro, which is already being hailed as the definitive new benchmark for high-end flagship gaming tablets. We are going to put its stunning 4K display through its paces and push the raw power of that Snapdragon 8 Elite processor to the absolute limit. This device is available in 3 distinct colorways: the sophisticated gray gold, the sleek silver wing, and the vibrant Isle of Man. Right here, I have the Isle of Man edition, which features a truly refreshing and eye-catching light green finish that really stands out. The frosted aluminum body feels truly premium. Despite housing a massive 13,000 mAh battery, it remains incredibly slim at just 6.18 millimeters. It is lighter than the OnePlus Pad 3 Pro, making it easy to carry. When it comes to mobile gaming, the experience is defined by the quality of the visuals. As for the display, iQOO has equipped it with a 13.2-inch 4K LCD screen, featuring a resolution of 3840 by 2512. It supports a 144Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and a 1.07 billion color true color display. And it has also passed TÜV Rheinland hardware level low blue light certification. So check out Sword and Fairy. So with 4K, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro delivers stunning clarity and color, and the benefits are even clearer in games. And in Peacekeeper Elite, 4K makes targets strikingly clear. In PUBG Mobile, the world, grass, characters, buildings looks sharper and more detailed. Beyond looks, it helps you spot enemies faster. Take Genshin Impact. With the iQOO magnetic cooler, the Pad 6 Pro hits monster mode for 2.7K and 120 FPS interpolation. Look at the facial detail and flowers. The super frame clarity is striking. If you're an Arena Breakout player, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro makes the experience even better. It supports full scene ray tracing and 144 FPS, delivering more realistic visuals and incredibly smooth gameplay. Plus, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro supports 4K live game screenshots and 4K video recording, making it easy to capture your highlight moments in games like Honor of Kings with perfect clarity. Beyond super frame and super resolution for visuals, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro supports native 4K titles like Sword and Fairy, Wild Rift, Teamfight Tactics, and Where Winds Meet. 2 features really impressed me. First, the audio. The Bion panoramic acoustic system with spatial audio and detail enhancement makes pinpointing enemies in FPS games much easier. Moving on to the touch experience. The iQOO Pad 6 Pro boasts ultra-responsive touch technology, which is vital for all you pro gamers. Now let's talk about performance, the one thing everyone truly cares about. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, paired with the Mount Supercore engine. Its VCDT cooling system is 15% more efficient than the previous Pad 5 Pro. It hit a massive score of 4,040 SAX22 on the AnTuTu benchmark. Now let's see how it handles high-end gaming. First up is Genshin Impact. At the highest graphic settings and 60 FPS after an hour of continuous exploration and combat, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro hit an average frame rate of 59.88 FPS. The tablets dissipate heat better than phones, so it didn't get very hot even after playing for an hour, and frame rates remained stable during long sessions. Moving on to Peacekeeper Elite, with smooth graphics, 4K ultra frame, and 120 FPS, I played 3 consecutive matches for 67 minutes. The average frame rates were 119.83, 119.86, and 119.88 FPS. It ran almost at the frame cap, and the overall gaming experience was very smooth. The iQOO Pad 6 Pro handles it with ease. You don't need to worry about battery life. The massive 13,000 mAh battery lets you use it freely. It features 90W fast charging and a USB 3.2 port, taking 91 minutes for a full charge. Great for gaming, but my experience shows it also handles office tasks perfectly. Yeah, especially with the 4K large screen paired with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite. Editing 4K video in CapCut Pro is perfectly smooth. Furthermore, their cross-device experience has always been excellent, making it very easy to transfer files between your phone and tablet. But if you handle a lot of text like I do, I recommend considering the matching Smart Touch Keyboard 6 Pro and the iQOO Pencil 3 stylus. This keyboard is quite feature-rich. The trackpad supports various gestures and is large, making it very convenient to use. The key travel is on 5 item with solid tactile feedback, and the typing feel is similar to my Surface Pro keyboard. iQOO has also included a dedicated wake-up key for the Blue LM Assistant, making it much easier to trigger AI features. It connects to the tablet via contact points, resulting in virtually no latency compared to a Bluetooth connection. The iQOO Pencil 3 is feature-rich. For example, you can swipe to flip through PPT slides or switch videos. It also offers a great writing experience for taking notes. As for the iQOO Pad 6 Pro, from a pure user experience perspective, whether you're gaming, binge-watching shows, or using it for work, it's hard to find any fault with this tablet. When it comes to gaming, nothing else can really beat this device. Playing all your favorite games on such a crisp 4K screen is an absolute blast. If you are looking for a large, powerful gaming tablet, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro is a top-tier pick. Would you consider buying one for yourself? Please, let me know your thoughts. That is all I have for now. I will see you all